Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's look is inspired by Jules from Euphoria, and this is the blue eyeshadow look she wears in the very first episode, and I absolutely love this makeup and I don't use blue enough, so I thought I would have a go at this. Like a lot of the looks that I used on Euphoria, there is a lot of glitter involved and shimmer, so I've tried to sort of do that, but obviously in this look it is quite subtle. It's mainly the blue that stands out. So I hope you like this look, and you also have to let me know if you'd like me to do more looks from Euphoria. I do have a couple planned, I'm just waiting for the glitter to arrive. If you want to see how I did this very blue look inspired by Jules, then make sure you carry on watching. my blue and glitter inspired look from Jules in Euphoria. I thought this was quite easy to do and I really like how it's turned out. I will put out, I took forever to put these lashes on. That took the longest out of the entire look. But I am still learning with them, so I'm quite proud I managed to get them on. You have to let me know if you'd like me to do other looks from Euphoria. I know a lot of them are glitter based, which is quite fun. So if you do, make sure you leave a comment below, tell me who I should do next and which specific look. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another. Bye!